It all started from building homes in the South and transformed into providing roof for every Filipino family. Solar Resources Incorporated's residential developments let you live in space that allows you to achieve a balanced lifestyle. Las Brisas is the newest 9-hectare residential community nestled inside an expansive master plan development of Tierra del Sol in Panza, Cavite. Offering around-the-clock security, a playground for the kids, and leisure hubs for your relaxation and entertainment. This residential community is located between Panza and 13 Martires, Cavite. It's only 4.3 kilometers away from SM City 13, Tower Mall 13, and Public Market. My name is Anne Evangelista, and today you're going to meet your ideal home in the suburbs, your new living with Solar Resources. This prime community offers exclusivity, a respite haven, and an all-day breeze and fresh air. This newest and gated community in the South offers you outdoor facilities such as this swimming pool for kids and adults, a basketball court, a playground, and there will be also a jogging lane around the development. For recreational activities and family gatherings, Las Brisas has its very own air-conditioned and enclosed clubhouse. Take a look. Today we'll show you a 3-bedroom unit at Las Brisas. 112 square meters gross floor area, Zelia House is ideal for early nesters, growing families, or young professionals. This home is a single attached 2-story home fitted with 2 bedrooms, master suite, balcony, carport, service area, dining, and living area. As we go in, you will notice that we have a fence here. Now, this countryside gate is for your inspiration only. For improvements such as this fence, you may visit our Facebook page, Solar Resources. And now, we are here on the carport area, which you can fit your SUV or your sedan. Now, notice that it is also covered. Now, your car is protected from all types of weather. As we walk forward, you will find your lawn and your service area. Now, you can set this up as your mini garden and put an outdoor lounge or a mini playground for your kids. And in here is your service area. You also have an access door to your kitchen. Now, this extra spaces is only available for corner units only. Zelia's regular or inner units also has a carport area. As you open the door, you will be greeted by this living spaces. Conversations can freely flow up to the dining area and your open kitchen. Imagine having to wind down here on your living area after a long day at work, or hang out with your kids on weekend and watch your favorite series. Adjoining to this living room is designed to be your den. Now, this is an extra room and you can transform it whatever you prefer. Now, there's also a toilet and bath inside. Take a look. Designed to cherish every moment of your family, what's so nice about this house is its limit unnecessary boundaries like the walls to part the house. Like this open kitchen. I love cooking for my family and friends, so having an open kitchen like this gives me the freedom to innovate and renovate. And let's not forget this wall-size length mirror that does the trick. And by the way, from the kitchen area, you have an access door to your service area, so you won't have to go to your main door. Now it's time to check what's upstairs. By the way, the architectural design of this house is modern contemporary. Notice the high ceiling where you can decor your timeless chandelier pieces or lightings like this. This vertical window gives you a natural light during the day and a peaceful view of the community during the night. Also, your walls, you can transform it into your artwork or place some family portrait of your choice. Upon second floor landing, you will be greeted by this hall that leads you to the 2 bedrooms with shared toilet and bath. Now we go over with your bedroom number 1 that can be your kids' bedroom. With this window and a peaceful view of the community. And now we go over to your bedroom number 2, which has the same size with your bedroom number 1. And finally, we are now in the master's bedroom. I love that there is enough space in here where you can have your queen-size bed and install your entertainment system on the side. The balcony has this big sliding glass door for when you want to feel the breeze outside and spoil yourself with natural light and ventilation. Feel free to open this door. New living means having that extra space, and having a balcony is a luxury. For when you want to relax, you can set up an outdoor lounge and decor it with some plants for that green living experience. You may also do your yoga here, your meditation, or your workout session. There's so much you can do when you have a home like this. Over the balcony, my favorite part so far, you can bring in some plants because of the natural light that comes in. I love plants, so if I would live here, I would bring in all my plants in here to complete the suburban living experience. Solar Resources Incorporated is committed to offering you your ideal home that makes valuable investment and that great suburban experience. Retreat to this southern residence and make your move into something new. Start new living with Solar Resources.